insert definition, insert in a sentence, insert pronunciation, insert meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of insert. 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 Insert as a verb means to fit one thing into another thing. Common usages in academic writing: to insert the piece, to insert the component, to insert the key, to insert the card. Example sentences: insert verb. The copper wire was inserted between the two slats and then welded into place. Example sentence number 2, please insert your credentials into the designated field. The common academic writing variation is insertion, noun. The second hole that you drill will be the insertion point for the Ethernet cable. Please write a sentence using insert in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of insert, the meaning of insert, and insert example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.